In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly sync your Anytype data across all your devices in 2026. If you already have your notes and spaces set up on one device, the good news is that bringing everything over to another device is a pretty simple process. The key idea here is that your main device will authorize the new one, and then both devices will sync your data directly. To begin, open Anytype on your main device, the one where your notes, spaces, and existing content are already saved. This is the device that already has the information you want to access everywhere else. So make sure you're starting from the correct account and workspace before moving on. Next, click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. This will open your account menu where you can access the tools needed to connect another device. From there, select recovery phrase. Before you continue, make sure your secret recovery phrase is available because you'll need it to authorize your other device. This phrase is extremely important, so handle it carefully and only use it in a secure private setting. Now move to your second device. This could be your phone, tablet, or another computer. If Anytype is not installed yet, install the app first, then open it. When the app launches, you'll arrive at the initial setup screen. On that setup screen, choose Login Existing Account. Make sure you do not create a new account here because doing that would start a separate workspace instead of syncing the one you already have. After that, enter your recovery phrase on the new device. If you're using a mobile device, and the option is available, you can also scan the QR code shown on your main device screen with your phone's camera. This can be faster and helps avoid typing mistakes. Once the new device is authorized, open the settings menu on both devices and go to syncing. Here, confirm that local network sync is enabled on each device. This allows the devices to transfer data directly to one another, which can make the sync process smoother as long as both devices are on the same network. Finally, keep both devices open and connected for a few moments while your files finish downloading. Depending on how much content you have, this may take a little time, so give it a moment and avoid closing the app too early. And that's it. Once the download is complete, your Anytype data should be available across your devices, making it